All right, I'm going to show you how to use your iPad as a scanner so that you can scan any document that you might have and put it onto on campus. So I'm using my iPad right now. That's all I need at this point. And I'm going to click on OneDrive. So this is all going to be through OneDrive. So once I open up the OneDrive app, what I'm going to go is I'm going to go up to the blue plus sign, and I'm going to click on that. And I'm going to now go to scan. And once I click scan, it's going to bring me into the camera. And I am using my textbook. Maybe a student does not have their textbook at home, so I want to make sure to get these pages for them. And so it's going to make these blue lines, which finds the page, which is pretty nice. And there we have one of the pages in the textbook. Now, if that's all I want to do, I can move on. But let's say that the next page I also want to include. So I'm going to hit plus, and it's going to bring me back to the camera. And I flip the page over, and because my textbook has a big crease in it, I'm going to use a paperweight that I have, and I'm going to line it up, and I'm going to take the picture, and I'm going to hit done, which now I want to change the name of it because I don't want it to say scan from today. I'm going to click on that, and I'm just going to hit textbook pages 33 to 34. And I want to save it in a OneDrive folder that I already have. So I'm going to go to Files so that I can click More. And I'm going to go down to my IB History teaching folder. And I'm going to hit Save Here. And I'm going to hit the checkbox. And now that I'm in OneDrive again, I'm actually already in my folder. But if I now want to search for IB History, it's going to pull up that teaching folder right there at the top. And in my OneDrive are these textbook pages. And so now if I wanted to upload them from my computer, I can access them from my computer and put them right on campus for people. And there you have it.